Looking to revolutionize your kitchen experience? Meet the Emeril Lagasse 26QD Extra Large Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven. This versatile appliance combines style, performance, and convenience, offering you the ultimate cooking experience. Stay tuned as we dive deep into its features, performance, and why it could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Design and build. The first thing you'll notice about this air fryer oven is its elegant French door design, adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Its stainless steel body not only looks sleek but is also highly durable, ensuring longevity. The 26-quart capacity is ideal for families, allowing you to cook large meals effortlessly. Versatile cooking functions. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. With 12 preset cooking functions, you can bake, broil, toast, air fry, dehydrate, roast, and even reheat leftovers. Whether you're making a pizza, roasting a chicken, or air frying crispy fries, this appliance has got you covered. Performance. What sets the Emeril Lagasse oven apart is its 360 degrees quick cook technology, which circulates superheated air to cook food evenly and quickly. Unlike traditional ovens, it reduces cooking time while locking in flavor and moisture. The air fry function uses minimal oil, making it perfect for health-conscious users who don't want to compromise on taste. Ease of use. With its digital control panel and easy-to-read display, navigating through the settings is a breeze. The interior is spacious enough to fit a whole turkey or multiple trays, and the non-stick coating makes cleaning effortless. Why you'll love it. Family-friendly, its large capacity means you can prepare meals for the entire family in one go. Energy efficient, uses less energy than conventional ovens, saving you time and money. Healthy cooking, air frying significantly cuts down on oil usage. What users are saying. Customers rave about how it has simplified their cooking routine. Many highlight its ability to deliver crispy, golden results without the guilt of deep frying. If you're looking for an all-in-one appliance that saves space, time, and effort while delivering restaurant-quality results, the Emeril Lagasse 26QD Extra Large Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven is worth every penny. Ready to transform your cooking game? Click the link below to learn more and order yours today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips to make your life easier in the kitchen. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.